Hi guys, and welcome to a roll for artwork inspired by roll for sandwich. We got a 4 bathbomb making, and the colors will be 5 dark colors. The scent will be 2 sweet, and the toppings will be glitter 4. I'm going to use this cinnamon sweet cherry mixture for the scent. I'm going to add a copper red with some black for the coloring. Here I have some black glitter, and I'm not going to use these again because you're going to see they're not that great. They have the shape of a glitter, but just not the sparkle. I have this amazing potion bottle kind of mold, but I wasn't doing it right. I'm still practicing with it. But for now, we're going back to the round bath bombs because I know how to make these. I'm pretty used to these. And I'm going to add a mystery crystal inside, like all my bath bombs. And I'm also making the round ones because I'm pretty fast with those. And with a bath bomb mixture, you can't keep going on. It will dry out and you won't be able to make bath bombs that will keep their shape. So I'm still going to practice with the other ones, and I will have some more unique looking bath bombs. But for now, this is perfect. And about the glitters, like I said, they have the shape of a glitter, just not the sparkle. And yeah, I'm not going to use these again in the future. They're fine, they're perfectly fine. They're cute, as you can see, but just not glittery. And thank you for watching.